Family who unfortunately they lost one of their family members in an explosion on Christmas Eve.
What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. It's me today, Solo Dolo. The husband had to go do something else and we'll catch him another time. But for today, I am going to go and meet a group of people. We're going to ride to a location here in Temple. I can't remember the name of it. It's there's going to be an event there. There was a explosion that happened in a city nearby, and it's a benefit. So we're going to go and support this benefit to try to help this family out. That this explosion happened right before Christmas, so very tragic. So that's what we do. We go out and support, and y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so this is one of my spots right here at the Dunkin' Donuts. I try to come here sometimes in the morning on my way to work, but lately they have not been having what I wanted. So I'm gonna give them one more chance. One more chance. We about to go see if they got what I want. Okay, y'all wanna know the verdict? I got a kolache! Yay! Well, I actually got 3 kolaches because they owe me a few from the times that I ordered and didn't have any, so they made up for it. So I'm excited, I'm good to go. Now, on to the next spot. Okay, the struggle be real, but y'all, I made it here to the spot. Let me show y'all the few bikes that we got here. We got some bikes out, we got bikes right there, and a few more bikes. Oh, he's playing his bike. We got my little mom in the middle right there. She made it. Look at the bikes. And the people are coming up there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
So we made it to the event. It is a very, 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 very nice turnout. We made it to the event. We are here at Bulldog Automotive here in Temple. This is a fundraiser event for Family Rogers, and we're going to speak with our event coordinator right now.
Here to help the Carrillo family, who unfortunately they lost one of their family members in an explosion on Christmas Eve. So we're trying to raise as much money as we can to try and help the family out with medical expenses, lodging, all that stuff. There were 6 people in the home. Unfortunately, Manuela did not make it out. Her husband, Fidel, he suffered severe injuries, and he's in a burn unit up in Dallas, undergoing quite a few surgeries, and he's got a long road of recovery to it. So we're hoping to raise enough money to be able to help them offset that cost.
Absolutely, that's a great cause.
Baby, some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here